High school pa ta. May CAT tayo. Anong ibig sabihin ng MP? Mamunitig pa tayo ba? Diba? Mang BP, dito ako sa bahay mo ha. Okay, so 4 eyes na. Salamat. Salamat dyan sa mga nakatambay na mga MP. Yeah, mga MP daw. Dan playing Ma'am Gracia. Salamat kuya. Kuya, pagbaba nagkuhan. Anong imong kuhan video niya sa kunsa. Uy, Sir Gran, halika dito. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Gran. We have coffee, Sir Gran. Did you eat your breakfast already, Sir Gran? Halika dito. Nana po niya. Mga po ni Ron. Ladies, nahuman na mag-injection. O, kini, kaya nasa Ma'am BP o si Jan kay Moro mag-gini na injection diri. Wako ba sa Thank you kuya from Sis Jan. Mabayang pinagpalatin sa loob. Halika dito. Oh, there is Jamie ladies there. Sis Jan. Uy, Day Queen. Good morning, Day Queen. Good morning. Oh, Day Queen. They have Yummy ladies there. They have Babayang Pinagpala. They have Queen J. We have their Jen and Gracia. Good morning, sweet and yummy friends. Good morning to Sir Gran. How are you, Sir Gran? How are you? Kuya Promday, baba ka rin pa, Kuya Promday. Nanapod yung mga idol, Kuya Promday. Malingaw ka rin. Well, 6 million in the house. Salamat din na, guys, ha? Guys, short video na baba. I am very good because I exercise a lot on the weekend. Wow! Sana all. O, dito tayo kay Kuya Promday, guys. Nakapin ko to, guys. Okay, guys. Nakapin, guys. Kuya Promday. May binaba ako dyan, guys. Arabella, guys. Short video ni Ma'am BP yan. Wow, Sir Gran, sana all. Sana all kaya nga. Kuya Promday. Stay put ka dyan, Kuya Promday, ha. O, dito, Kuya Promday, playing ka. +1 banana sa'yo, Kuya Promday, +1. O, playing ka dito, Kuya Promday, ha. I-play ko to. Ganda lang, sana all satisfied. Kaya nga. Sana all. Sana all, daghan nagkuhan unli. I've been married for 2 days. 2 days. So, only 2 days? Salamat, Tos. Welcome, Kuya. Kuya Promday, nagkatawa. Playing ka din, Kuya, playing. Ako tapos Kuya Promday. Garaan mo gila sa tiya. Sigasa nga live. Basta ka na. Garaan, sigasa na siya live. 2 days and 1 hour. Sir Gran, 2 days and 1 hour. Kuya Promday said, 2 days and 1 hour, you're married? Biskut, Sir Gran. Garaan, gigil siya mag-BP ba? Sir Gran, Babayang pinagpalatin sa loob. How about your injection? I know what Ma'am BP will tell you, Sir Gran. Kaya maaksaya daw sa lubricant. Diba sabi niya, maaksaya daw sa lubricant. Kuya Promday. Nagkataas Kuya Promday, oh.